Alright guys, here we have it guys. We're going to be making today another classic Mexican breakfast. It's called migas. And what it is it's eggs with fried tortillas, chips. So you guys are going to see that. Let's fire up this Blackstone. So I'm turning on the Blackstone, I'm going to put it on low. Everything we do, mostly I like to do it on low, especially eggs. Eggs we can do low. Alright guys, so here we have it. So it's for one person, 2 tortillas. What you're going to do is you're going to cut them like this, depending on how big you want your chips. So I say like this is perfect. All right. Put them down like that to get them crispy. I like to separate them. That way you know they're all getting fried. A little bit on this side. Just like that. Just turn them around. And these are really good. One of my favorites. And it's a quick and easy. Really quick too. It's really quick. And then some people like to add like little chopped weenies. You know, they get the weenies and just chop them little pieces and also throw them in there. Some people do that. I sometimes do that. Sometimes. Not today. So pretty much you're just waiting for the tortillas to be nice and fried and crunchy. And then you add your egg on top of it. Seems like they're ready. You can hear them. Now your eggs are scrambled. Just like that. And it comes out quick after that. But this is, oh man, I love it. Easy, you can make a lot. You can make a lot of this if you have company, you want to make a lot. Do a lot of the tortillas all over, let them crisp, and then put all your eggs in there. Just like that. Alright guys, here we have it. This is the finished product. It looks delicious. I mean, I love this. This is one of the first things I learned how to cook because it's real easy to cook. So here for an example, I mean, when you have this, either you can eat it with another tortilla, cooked tortilla, eat it like that. I normally just eat it with a fork. You can add some hot sauce if you want, but just like that. I don't know what it is about the crunchiness of the tortilla that I like it with the egg. Well, this is real simple. On the Blackstone griddle, it can be done, and it's top-notch, easy. All right. So it was a simple, easy video for you guys today. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit the subscribe button because there's more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of it. And make sure to try these videos out. Blackstone videos. If you guys want to try something new, Traeger videos. Pellet smoker. Best thing you can have too, other than a Blackstone. See you guys next time.